Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Strings and Canvas. Today we are going to discuss about outlines, how to draw the outline of a portrait and what are the basic mistakes that a beginner commit. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you will be notified when new video comes. First, let's discuss about the grid method. For this, you will need a scale. Now, for a beginner, I will recommend to use a photo which is printed. Now, one can form the grids in your mobile phone too, which I will discuss at the end of this video. First, we will form the grids. Here I am taking 2 cm, but you may take 1.5, 1 or 0.5. It's up to you. Mark 2 cm from all the sides of the paper or the photo which you will replicate. Join the lines horizontally and vertically. Do the same thing in the paper in which you will draw. Now number the first vertical and horizontal line for easier to understand. Now we will follow each and every grids starting from first. You just have to observe the lines nicely. any pencil to form the grids, but you must keep one thing in your mind, that you have to erase these lines after you complete your sketch. So make sure this line you must draw it lighter. Now most of the beginner artists will do mistake in understanding the tendency of the line. Don't worry, it's common. You just have to practice. The most and the least thing we could do is to try and to practice. So make sure you're practicing well, and you have to focus on each and every grids and the lines which are passing through the grids. You have to be focused, you have to be patient and calm. Here is the app through which you can form the grids in your smartphone, and you can start drawing from your smartphone to your pages. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any problems you are facing regarding your artworks.